In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money online with affiliate marketing for free using free method, promoting someone else's product. Now, this could be physical product, digital product, your online course, system, programs, network marketing, whatever it is. I'm going to show you step by step how you can get a product and start promoting it today, start driving traffic today, and all doing this for free. So let's dive into this video and let me show you step by step how you can get started for free and start making money online with affiliate marketing. So you can see here, I'm on a network called Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a great network that has a very high conversion rate. It's got better conversion rate than ClickBank, and the reason being is that the front end offer is quite low price. So because of that, people tend to buy the product. Okay, now you can make a lot of money potentially in a very short matter of time with Warrior Plus compared to ClickBank. And because of this, a lot of people are starting to come to Warrior Plus and they are getting products and start promoting products. I highly recommend you create a free account with Warrior Plus and start taking choosing products from Warrior Plus and start promoting products using Warrior Plus. Now you can use different type of free traffic sources out here. I am going to share one of the free traffic network that you can use in this video and start promoting different products and opportunities. I will be coming up with new video with new free traffic sources, so stay tuned for that. So once you have joined the Warrior Plus, what you want to do is you want to choose a product. Okay, so first of all you want to go to offers, and then you want to choose different type of offers. So if you click on here, all offers, it's just going to replace all offers. Now, one of the key difference between Warrior Plus and ClickBank is that ClickBank, most of the products you are auto approved, but for Warrior Plus, you have to request approval. So you can see here, it's telling me to request approval to promote their products. Okay. Now, if I just come here to all offers, and I click on approved only, it's going to spill out all the products that I'm already approved. So you can see here, I am approved already for all these products. Now, when it comes to choosing a product, there are a couple of things before deciding to what to promote. Okay, so first of all, you want to look at a release date. When was this product released? You want something that's recent. Okay, perhaps something within a year. All right, the more recent, the more better, because it's fresh, it's new. Sales, how many sales? I would look for anything above 1,000. Okay, that doesn't mean that I don't promote 500 plus products. I'm just looking for 1,000 plus to stay on the safe side, which means that it's converting very, very good, and plus it's easy for beginners to make money. Okay, conversion rate. The higher the number, the more higher this number is, the more better, because it means very minimum traffic, very good amount of sales. Okay, now you can see here, this product down here has got 1,000 plus. Okay, it was released within, it's been over a year, I guess. Yes, it's been over a year. It's going to be 2 years. But look at the conversion rate. It's been 17%, which means the conversion rate is very, very high. Now, bear in mind that just because it says 17% does not mean that you're going to get a 17% conversion rate. This is based on the total traffic that was received to this product from the vendor, from different affiliates, and Warrior Plus just counted that it has a 17% conversion rate. Now, your conversion rate will be based on how you approach, how you drive traffic, which traffic network you use, and where you're going to get the traffic from. Your conversion rate could be higher or it could be lower. It could be even 1%. It could be even 0%. We just don't know. It depends on the traffic or that you're driving. Okay. And then refund rate. This is very, very important to look. Okay. A lot of people just tend to ignore this. You don't want to ignore this. Okay. If you see a refund rate like above 10%, I just normally don't promote those products. Okay. I want to promote a product that the refund rate is below 5% with a 1,000 plus sale. Yes, if this was 5,000 plus sales and then it had a 10% plus refund rate, then I would promote it. I believe it's still on the safe side. Okay, so this will depend on the sales volume. Okay, so what do? First of all, you need to request approval. So that's the first thing you want to do. Okay, so how do you request approval? So let's just look at one of the products here. We could see here this was a recent release just 5 days ago. 1000 plus say 21% conversion rate. The refund rate is 1%. Okay, this will climb. It's just the beginning. Let's just see what the product is all about. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on the sales page. I want to see what this product is all about. If it's something that would... Okay, so I can see here we got paid $75 a day for uploading generic audio clips. Our system makes the audios. All we do is upload them and we get paid $75. End of story. Alright, too good to be true, but I don't know. I'm not going to comment on that. So the product is looking, the sales page is looking quite good. Let me just look at the product. What's the commission rate? I can see it's a 50% commission rate. And okay, I'm going to request approval for this. So let me just go here. Okay, and I'm going to say something like, because I'm not a beginner, I have a very good track record. So I'm just going to say, I am a super affiliate and would like to be approved to promote. That's it. This is more than enough for me. But in your case, you want to put a complete detailed description, who you are, where you're from, how you're going to decide to promote, what traffic source you're going to use for better chances to get approved. Okay. Request offer. Most likely I should be approved auto. And yes, I'm auto approved because I've got a very good track record. So I'm auto approved. But in your case, if you're a beginner, this is not going to come up like this. You're going to put a very detailed description saying who you are, where you're coming from, what have you made any sales promoting affiliate offers in the past, what track record you have, and what kind of traffic source you're going to use. And then it's going to go into pending, and within 24 to 48 hours, if the vendor believes that you're someone that could drive some sales and volume, he will approve you or he will just deny. Okay, simple as that. So now I have this to approve. Now I can promote this and I can start driving traffic. Now let's talk about the free traffic. There are so many free traffic sources. Okay, we are going to talk about one of the free traffic sources. Stay tuned because I'm going to come up with detailed, complete tutorial videos with different type of traffic sources so you can solve your traffic problems permanently. In my previous video, I did talk about this and I told you that 85%, if you get traffic right, you have solved 85% of your problem, and 99.9% people give up and fail because they just don't know how to get traffic. So this is very, very important. First, learn how to get traffic. Then the second step comes is how you're going to convert that traffic. Okay. And in one of my products and system, which if you are interested, you can purchase. Okay, we do talk about one of the free traffic sources where we teach you how to use this free traffic source to make $100 plus every single day in potential sales and commissions, and how to scale up. Okay, so if you want to learn, and not just that, we teach you about this, we actually give you the complete DFY business in a box, showing you and giving you this exact program and system for you to keep and sell and earn 100% profit. It's a DFY business in a box. With a click of a button, you can get this straight into your free account. We give a free account and you can start selling this as your own as well. So it's a win-win. We're not just teaching you how to use one of the free traffic sources to scale your business and take it to the next level. We are actually giving you this complete DFY business in a box to actually sell this product like it's your own and earn 100% profit. Everything is done for you. The email swipes, the sales page, the course training, everything is done for you. If you are interested, the link is popping up on the screen. You could just go to this website address and you can purchase this product, and it will be one of the best decisions of your life. So let's get into this. We're going to talk about Facebook. You know Facebook. Facebook is a great traffic source. Now there are a lot of ways to drive traffic. I'm going to show you just 2 ways that you can start off with driving traffic. The first is creating stories. Do you know these stories that you see right on the top get so much buzz? I'm not even joking. I created a couple of stories and I start getting interaction. I start getting people contacting me. Hey, how do you do this? I want to learn everything. Let me just show you how easy it is. You just click on the create story. You come here, create a photo story. Okay, now, because I have a very good track record and I am a super affiliate, I do have proven results to prove that I can definitely help you. So I'm going to choose one of the pictures that I have as a proven result. Okay, so let's just look into this. What shall I do? And let me just go for this one here. All right, and then down here you could add some text here. Okay, so I could say something like, okay, comment info. All right, there you go. I could just bring that to the bottom. All right, let's see if I could just, okay, sometimes it plays a bit of game here. All right, so you just want to put comment info here. Okay, something like that, and people are going to see this and they're going to say, wow, I want to do something like this. How do you do this? Okay, and then you just want to like share the story, and then people are going to come on there. I'm just going to share this story right now. Even though looking at this, people are going to come and they're going to say, okay, I want to learn how to do this. So there you go. It's shared as a story. Now, every of your follower and friends, including outsiders, are going to see this and they're going to look at it and they're going to say, wow, what is this? Let me contact this guy. Let me see what this is all about. I want to learn how to do this. How did you do this? Okay, that's one way of driving traffic, free traffic to your affiliate offer. Second way of driving free traffic is you go to groups, you type in affiliate marketing, okay, affiliate marketing, and then if you come here, you're going to join these groups. Look at this, 15,000 members, 90 plus posts a day, 90,000 members, 117,000 members, 10,000 members, okay, 21,000 members, 79,000 members. So you want to join, okay, a couple of these groups you want to join, okay, and they're going to ask you a couple of questions down here. You just want to answer those questions. Just going to skip this for now, okay, and then you want to start posting. Now you don't want to get too crazy, okay, you want to do 3 to 5 groups, join 3 to 5 groups a day, get to 50 groups, okay, and then you want to post in 3 to 5 groups a day. You don't want to get too crazy, all right, and then what you want to do is once you start getting interaction, now every group is different. Some groups you're not going to get no interaction, some groups you're going to get some response, some groups they're going to send you messages, and some groups you're going to get so much buzz that it's going to spin your head basically. You're not going to even have time to message all these people, all right? So you want to create posts and you're going to become more creative in creating this post and doing exactly on how to drive traffic and how to promote affiliate offers. Stay tuned because I am going to come up with a complete detailed video on exactly how to create the post, different options you have, and how to create that buzz, okay, and what to look for when it comes to creating posts. So you just don't want to create posts in every group. You want to first go into the group to see if the other people are getting some interaction. If they are getting interaction, then you want to create posts, and you want to become creative by looking at other people's posts. So if you saw one of the posts that is getting so much buzz, then you want to see what did he do to create this post. Let me create a similar post just like this with different angle and different text, okay, and like that you will able to actually go out there, start creating this free post which will only take you a couple of minutes and start getting these interactions. And then what happens every time someone leaves a comment, you're going to direct message them with your affiliate link. Now in that case you're not going to take this affiliate link, you're going to actually shorten it. This is already a shortened URL, but direct affiliate links are not allowed on Facebook. So to stay on the safe side, you're just going to shorten it with a beautiful URL. That's how simple it is. And then once you see that you're getting so much messages, then you're going to have two options. You could either hire someone to do this, or you could create an automated messaging service using a tool which I will be sharing in my upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching my video.